So here it is, the MuscleBlaze Biozyme Whey Protein in butter cookie flavor. 1000 mg. ये भी MuscleBlaze का है. They have 2 products in the market.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Just Doing It. Here we just do things and make videos while doing those things and definitely create memories to look back. Today we have a very interesting product with us, as you've already seen in the video title. We have the MuscleBlaze Biozyme Whey Performance, which is basically whey protein, और ये जो हमारे पास है, this is in butter cookie flavor. So I'll quickly go through the unboxing of the product and see what's inside, and also you can check the authenticity of the product.
Which promises better digestion and absorption, but more on that later. So first thing first, it's the MuscleBlaze Biozyme Performance Whey Protein. तो अगर आप एक फिटनेस एंथुजियास्ट हो और आप या तो जस्ट स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, adding a protein powder might just be the perfect addition to your regimen. So let's dive inside and see what's there. As you can see, here's another seal mark, and one should ensure that the seal is always there when you're buying this product from either any of the offline market or from online. Okay, तो finally मैंने lid जो है वो remove कर लिया है, and ask me, it was quite a task because जो packaging है, the sides they are quite hard plastic and it's hard to tear them. But anyway, this is what the box looks like after opening. As you can see, we have the scoop holder, which is definitely a pretty smart thing to have. You don't lose your scoop anymore. And also see a few of the authenticity checks that are suggested from the website itself is that you see whether there is the marking for patent applied at the back of the scoop, and also there will be a MuscleBlaze logo engraved in the handle of the scoop. Now because this is a 4.4 pound और 2 kg का डब्बा है, तो इसीलिए मुझे एक शेकर भी मिला है इसके साथ, which is, they call it free. Also have the level markings of 700 ml, and if we open the shaker we get to see this एक spring तरह का कोई चीज़ है. I'm sure this will help you dissolve the whey protein when you're shaking with having water. And we have a small MuscleBlaze banding over here. Overall एक अच्छा shaker है, serves the purpose, and ये feel भी important है. Well, alongside the whey protein, मैंने एक omega-3 fish oil भी लिया था, which is 1000 mg. ये भी MuscleBlaze का है. They have two products in the market for omega-3 fish oil. One is the gold one, and basically 3x. You get the 3x benefits, and then you have this normal one. So I chose the normal one because I am just beginning my journey to consume omega-3 as well as whey protein and the different supplements that comes. Some of the benefits of omega-3 fish oil, omega-3 or fish oil, as you can see, are it kind of helps reduce the muscle soreness, brain health को भी support करता है, and definitely it boosts your heart rate. And just a point to note here, ये एक this is not a purely vegetarian tablet, because as the name suggests, it is made up of fish oil. So मेरे veg दोस्तों, point to note. Now why MuscleBlaze Biozyme whey protein जबकि इतने सारे products market में available है? First off, it's the Biozyme technology. ये क्या करता है? ये absorption and digestion में help करता है, which means that you make the most out of your every scoop. And secondly, it is not that आपको प्रोटीन तभी लेना चाहिए if you are going to the gym. Anybody can take protein, but it is always recommended कि you always take that if your protein intake is still deficient, you're not able to fulfill your protein intake out from your daily diet, जो हम लोग रोज़ खाते हैं, दाल सब्जी. अगर उनसे आपको प्रोटीन मिल नहीं रहा है, चिकन, एग्स, and then you have paneer, then whey protein is definitely a good source of good and measured protein for your body. Although I have started my journey quite recently into fitness and bodybuilding, but I think being a Bengali, I eat fish every day, but I'm sure that doesn't fulfill my protein intake. So what I would say, overall it's a great product to start with, and I purchased it from a store offline based here in Kolkata. Their name is AYU, which is IU. And I'll definitely link the location below. If you go there and check out the product, I'm sure you'll get great discounts. The point of contact over there would be Shourav, and he's an amazing person to talk with and get the best products that you want. And also I'll link the product URL in the description below, where you can purchase it online as well. But I'm sure it'll be best to go out and check out the options yourself and then take the right product which you fit would be the best. So thank you, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content.